Okay, so here we have the bonus. This is where the mix and match is really clear. So as you can see, just look how versatile and useful these very easy conversation frames are. I can, and you can finish with any verb. It is, this is, that is, finish it with any noun or adjective. If you forget what a noun or adjective is, a noun is any person, place, thing, or idea. An adjective is anything that describes one of those people, place, thing, or idea. I think it is, that can be finished with any adjective or noun. I know that because, finish it with any relevant phrase. I like, want, need, or should. You can use any of those. They are on our highly or the high frequency verbs. And you can finish it with any verb that you know. Like I like can also be followed by any noun. I disagree or I agree because, and then finish that with any relevant phrase. And similarly, it means that, and you finish that with any relevant phrase. This is where we put it all together. The challenge of synthesizing everything we've discussed so far with the high frequency verbs, high frequency non-verbs, and also the responses. So if you can see how versatile and useful these very easy conversation frames are. And you really can do a lot with less. For example, if in my French study, this is what I can say. I can learn French. Je peux apprendre le français. This is correct. C'est correct. I think it is correct because I'm doing it. Je pense que c'est correct parce que je l'ai fait. I know that because I can say French words. So this actually continues with the line of logic from the previous statement. Je sais que parce que je peux l'utiliser. I want to say French words. Je veux dire intéressantes choses en français. I need time because the French I speak is not good. Now, this is a mouthful, but it's really cool because I just took most of the things that I showed you in those charts and put them together. So in French, it would be J'ai besoin de temps parce que le français que je parle n'est pas bon. Next one is I disagree that French is uninteresting because I think it is fun. So look at that. Just by putting those small pieces together, you can create or formulate a really nice sentence. So in French, it would be Je ne suis pas d'accord que le français n'est pas intéressant parce que je pense que c'est amusant. Que c'est amusant. Sorry, that was hard to say. It means this means that, that means, etc. That I like French and I can learn French. So just by having that word and, it makes your sentence longer. So in French, it would be Ce signifie que j'aime la France et je peux l'apprendre. I love this. I hope you find this really interesting because we're taking very small steps, but because we're focusing on things to help us push our natural language making brain, we are actually creating some really amazing things together. And finally, before I finish today, I wanted to just revisit my Lean Language Startup recipe of focusing on key vocabulary that includes high frequency verbs, high frequency non-verbs, looking at versatile responses and questions that are engaging to guarantee that you're interacting and growing in your target language fluency. In addition, you're using whatever limited vocabulary you have. Maybe you only know 50 words or 20 words. You try to combine them in the most relevant and comprehensible way you can to push your use of those words. So find and create opportunities for you to use as much as you know in your target language in as many conversations as you can. When you don't know the exact wording or word, dig deep and say whatever you can to be understood. Even if it sounds a little bit funny, you're pushing yourself to be creative. And I mentioned this before, but language is about invention and creation. If you're not creating language, then you're not having fun with it to the utmost. Thank you for joining me today. I know this video was a little bit longer than I had originally intended. That's why I divided it up into segments. Video part 1 through 5, I believe. So please like and subscribe and follow and share this video with people that you know who want to improve their target language. And also, if they're interested or you're interested to just see how my journey is with a language that I barely know. So I'm here to learn with you. So please comment and tell me what you think. And let me know what other languages you're interested for upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Au revoir.